Guess the capital. Welcome to the Guess the Capital game. Get ready to test your geography knowledge. Let's go. Instructions to play. We will give you questions about capital cities. Choose the correct answer from the 4 choices given. Whoever answers the most correctly wins. Which is the capital of Jersey? Option A, St. Helier. Option B, Singapore. Option C, Vienna. Option D, Brussels. Guess. Which is the capital of Jersey? The correct answer is option A, St. Helier. Which is the capital of Antigua and Barbuda? Option A, Stockholm. Option B, St. John's. Option C, Warsaw. Option D, Tallinn. Guess. Which is the capital of Antigua and Barbuda? The correct answer is option B, St. John's. Which is the capital of Guernsey? Option A, Vilnius. Option B, London. Option C, St. Peter Port. Option D, The Valley. Guess. Which is the capital of Guernsey? The correct answer is option C, St. Peter Port. Which is the capital of Saint Pierre and Miquelon? Option A, Hamilton. Option B, St. Pierre. Option C, Dublin. Option D, Tokyo. Guess. Which is the capital of Saint Pierre and Miquelon? The correct answer is option B, St. Pierre. Which is the capital of Falkland Islands? Option A, Stanley. Option B, Tashkent. Option C, Tripoli. Option D, Vienna. Guess. Which is the capital of Falkland Islands? The correct answer is option A, Stanley. Which is the capital of Sweden? Option A, Valletta. Option B, Stockholm. Option C, Tehran. Option D, Vaduz. Guess. Which is the capital of Sweden? The correct answer is option B, Stockholm. Which is the capital of Abkhazia? Option A, Sukhumi. Option B, Washington DC. Option C, Toshavan. Option D, Cape Town. Guess. Which is the capital of Abkhazia? The correct answer is option A, Sukhumi. Which is the capital of Taiwan? Option A, Manama. Option B, Helsinki. Option C, Thimphu. Option D, Taipei. Guess. Which is the capital of Taiwan? The correct answer is option D, Taipei. Which is the capital of Estonia? Option A, Tunis. Option B, Tallinn. Option C, Yaoundé. Option D, Warsaw. Guess. Which is the capital of Estonia? The correct answer is option B, Tallinn. Which is the capital of Uzbekistan? Option A, Tashkent. Option B, Tripoli. Option C, Brussels. Option D, Oslo. Guess. Which is the capital of Uzbekistan? The correct answer is option A, Tashkent. Which is the capital of Georgia? Option A, Tehran. Option B, Bamako. Option C, Ulaanbaatar. Option D, Tbilisi. Guess. Which is the capital of Georgia? The correct answer is option B, Bamako. Which is the capital of Honduras? Option A, Tallinn. Option B, Islamabad. Option C, Toshavan. Option D, Tegucigalpa. Guess. Which is the capital of Honduras? The correct answer is option D, Tegucigalpa. Which is the capital of Iran? Option A, Tehran. Option B, Tunis. Option C, Warsaw. Option D, Brussels. Guess. Which is the capital of Iran? The correct answer is option A, Tehran. Which is the capital of Netherlands? Option A, Dhaka. Option B, Tripoli. Option C, Stockholm. Option D, Amsterdam. Guess. Which is the capital of Netherlands? The correct answer is option D, Amsterdam. Which is the capital of Anguilla? Option A, Tifariti. Option B, The Valley. Option C, Victoria. Option D, Vilnius. Guess. Which is the capital of Anguilla? The correct answer is option B, The Valley. Which is the capital of Bhutan? Option A, Valletta. Option B, Brussels. Option C, Thimphu. Option D, Tunis. Guess. Which is the capital of Bhutan? The correct answer is option C, Thimphu. Which is the capital of Western Sahara? Option A, Tifariti. Option B, Tripoli. Option C, Warsaw. Option D, Tallinn. Guess. Which is the capital of Western Sahara? The correct answer is option A, Tifariti. Which is the capital of Albania? Option A, Vienna. Option B, Tirana. Option C, Ulaanbaatar. Option D, Yerevan. Guess. Which is the capital of Albania? The correct answer is option B, Tirana. Which is the capital of Transnistria? Option A, Tiraspol. Option B, Warsaw. Option C, Windhoek. Option D, Stockholm. Guess. Which is the capital of Transnistria? The correct answer is option A, Tiraspol. Which is the capital of Japan? Option A, Cairo. Option B, Canberra. Option C, Tehran. Option D, Tokyo. Guess. Which is the capital of Japan? The correct answer is option D, Tokyo. Which is the capital of Faroe Islands? Option A, Vaduz. Option B, Tórshavn. Option C, Yamoussoukro. Option D, Tunis. Guess. Which is the capital of Faroe Islands? The correct answer is option B, Tórshavn. Which is the capital of Libya? Option A, Doha. Option B, Tallinn. Option C, Tripoli. Option D, Vilnius. Guess. Which is the capital of Libya? The correct answer is option C, Tripoli. Which is the capital of South Ossetia? Option A, Shamwali. Option B, Windhoek. Option C, Vienna. Option D, Brussels. Guess. Which is the capital of South Ossetia? The correct answer is option A, Shamwali. Which is the capital of Tunisia? Option A, Castries. Option B, Tunis. Option C, Tokyo. Option D, Tallinn. Guess. Which is the capital of Tunisia? The correct answer is option B, Tunis. Which is the capital of Mongolia? Option A, Ulaanbaatar. Option B, Tehran. Option C, Vaduz. Option D, Dublin. Guess. Which is the capital of Mongolia? The correct answer is option Ulaanbaatar. Which is the capital of Liechtenstein? Option A, Kampala. Option B, Stockholm. Option C, Tbilisi. Option D, Vaduz. Guess. Which is the capital of Liechtenstein? The correct answer is option D, Vaduz. Which is the capital of Malta? Option A, Tbilisi. Option B, Valletta. Option C, Vilnius. Option D, Vienna. Guess. Which is the capital of Malta? The correct answer is option B, Valletta. Which is the capital of Seychelles? Option A, Victoria. Option B, Tallinn. Option C, The Hague. Option D, Budapest. Guess. Which is the capital of Seychelles? The correct answer is option A, Victoria. Which is the capital of Austria? Option A, Bridgetown. Option B, Warsaw. Option C, Vienna. Option D, Tehran. Guess. Which is the capital of Austria? The correct answer is option C, Vienna. Which is the capital of Laos? Option A, Vientiane. Option B, Valletta. Option C, Tokyo. Option D, Tripoli. Guess. Which is the capital of Laos? The correct answer is option A, Vientiane. Which is the capital of Lithuania? Option A, Brazzaville. Option B, Vilnius. Option C, Tallinn. Option D, Vaduz. Guess. Which is the capital of Lithuania? The correct answer is option B, Vilnius. Which is the capital of Poland? Option A, Warsaw. Option B, Stockholm. Option C, Vienna. Option D, Kingston. Guess. Which is the capital of Poland? The correct answer is option A, Warsaw. Which is the capital of United States? Option A, Washington DC. Option B, Tehran. Option C, Warsaw. Option D, Brussels. Guess, which is the capital of United States? The correct answer is option A, Washington DC. Which is the capital of Namibia? Option A, Vilnius. Option B, Windhoek. Option C, Victoria. Option D, Tallinn. Guess, which is the capital of Namibia? The correct answer is option B, Windhoek. Which is the capital of Ivory Coast? Option A, Yamoussoukro. Option B, The Hague. Option C, Vienna. Option D, Amman. Guess, which is the capital of Ivory Coast? The correct answer is option A, Yamoussoukro. Which is the capital of Cameroon? Option A, Tokyo. Option B, Yaoundé. Option C, Vaduz. Option D, Warsaw. Guess, which is the capital of Cameroon? The correct answer is option B, Yaoundé. Which is the capital of Armenia? Option A, Tallinn. Option B, Tiraspol. Option C, Yerevan. Option D, Algiers. Guess, which is the capital of Armenia? The correct answer is option C, Yerevan. Which is the capital of Croatia? Option A, Zagreb. Option B, Vienna. Option C, Stockholm. Option D, Vilnius. Guess, which is the capital of Croatia? The correct answer is option A, Zagreb. Which is the capital of Sri Lanka? Option A, Sri Jayawardhanapura. Option B, Tbilisi. Option C, Warsaw. Option D, Vaduz. Guess, which is the capital of Sri Lanka? The correct answer is option A, Sri Jayawardhanapura. Which is the capital of South Africa? Option A, Tallinn. Option B, Tehran. Option C, Cape Town. Option D, Tunis. Guess, which is the capital of South Africa? The correct answer is option C, Cape Town. Who got the most answers right? Congratulations to the winner. Thank you for playing. Guess the capital city. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.